This village is so pretty.
It is, and there's more to see.
Wow, can we see everything?
Of course, let's go.
What a lovely day. It really is, kiddo. Let's enjoy this walk.
Can we run later?
Yes.
Dad, do you need a wife?
A wife? What makes you ask that?
Just wondering.
I see.
Almost there. Yes, got the panel. Now to test this circuit. Almost there, just these wires. Yes, it's alive. Let's make you look nice. There, all done. You look just like me. Thank you.
What a lovely evening for a walk.
Yes, and the sunset is so pretty. It is optimal for family bonding.